Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here in Bukowina, here in Wałcz, Poland. It's actually nice to walk here. It's peaceful, it's not crowded. And yeah, we're just going to have a short trip here. And the cold is finally here in Poland. We're wearing blouse, the kids wearing coat.
Wow, look at that mesmerizing view behind me.
Having fun, guys?
Yes, Daddy. How do you call in this one?
If you're looking for a place for family or friends, definitely worth checking out Bukowina with these lakefront lodges or cabins. It's also the ideal spot for a memorable holiday, whether you're here for a weekend escape or longer retreat. Traveling with pets? No problem, because Bukowina is a pet-friendly place to visit. Imagine staying in one of these lodges and waking up to the serene beauty of the lake. That is some experience you don't want to miss.
These are one of the places that is worth to visit here in Wałcz, Poland.
Basically, visiting here is free. You can even come here on foot from center of Wałcz. And inside Bukowina, there's cafe called Kawiarnia Olimpijska.
So basically, the Bukowina in Wałcz, it is modern leisure facility. They offer accommodation, wellness and spa, outdoor activities. Maksiu! Cześć! We are now going to the bridge, still in Bukowina.
The Bukowina Bridge, or also known as Bukowina Viaduct, is a historic railway and a bridge constructed during the late 19th century and was built between 1905 and 1908 using brick and steel.
So the easiest way to visit this Bukowina resort is by car.
And it's 2 hours away from Poznan and 2 hours away from Szczecin.
All tired, the kids. Let's go home. So we are still walking here, the Bukowina. Now we are going back home because the kids are tired, and yeah, I wish I can show you inside the swimming pool, but it's not allowed to film any, of course.
You can book a place through booking.com. Just search for Centralne, Ośrodek Sportu, and you can browse and check their facilities, and they have quite plenty to offer. Parking will cost you 20 zloty per day or 4 pounds in British money, and no reservation needed.
Yes.
I have this ball.
That's pretty much it for our vlog today. I hope you find this video helpful and enjoyed watching. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time. Bye!